In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Loom Chrome or Edge Screen Recorder extension effectively. To begin, let's go through the process of installing the extension. First, navigate to the Chrome Web Store and type in Loom, Screen Recorder and Screen Capture in the search bar. Once you find it, click on Add to Chrome. After a few moments, you'll notice a new icon that looks like a bubble with a tiny dot at the center, appearing to the right of your URL bar. If by chance you don't see it straight away, don't worry. Simply click on the puzzle-shaped extensions icon on your browser toolbar, find Loom in the list, and pin it for easy, quick access. With Loom installed, let's launch it and set up your recording. You just have to click that Loom icon in your toolbar, which will bring up the recording options. Here you can decide what exactly you'd like to capture. Do you want to capture your entire screen, a specific window, or just the current tab? You can also opt for the camera-only mode if you're focusing purely on video with no screen involvement. Or toggle the screen and camera option to have a little face cam overlay, which is great for personal touch during tutorials or presentations. Don't forget to select your microphone from the drop-down menu and verify that it's working by watching the sound indicator. Now that you've chosen what to record, you might want to take a moment to explore some advanced settings. If you look at the recording interface, you'll notice a small or three-dot menu. This is where you'll find additional settings such as auto lighting adjustments, or you can flip your camera orientation. You might also want to enable or disable the countdown before starting, show or hide the recording controls, and decide whether you'd like to display the recording duration. Once you're satisfied with the setup, it's time to start recording. Hit Start Recording when you're ready. Depending on your choice, Loom will either jump right into recording or first ask you to confirm the screen, tab, or window you wish to record. And yes, there will be a brief countdown, so you'll have that moment to collect your thoughts before diving in. While the recording is taking place, you'll notice a set of controls on screen. These handy tools allow you to pause, restart, cancel, or resume your recording at any time. Additionally, you have access to drawing tools that let you annotate your screen in real time, which can be incredibly useful for emphasizing particular points or navigating your audience through complex details. To wrap up the recording, click on the red stop button in the toolbar. Loom will immediately upload your video and provide you a shareable link, which opens directly in your browser for further editing and sharing options. Once you're in the Loom interface, you have the chance to trim or make edits to your video, give it a title, and even add password protection or privacy controls. Features like enabling comments, emoji reactions, or interactive calls to action might also be available depending on your plan. Finally, you can copy, embed, or share your video link through email, Slack, or other social media platforms. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to the Loom Chrome Screen Recorder extension.